Welcome back to Instables. When it looks like we have been gaining a ton of volume in all of these mass stocks recently. So I went over APT in the last video. I'm going to go over AHPI in this video so you guys can see exactly which levels we need to break above to have a continuation and major breakout that we are looking for, just like we saw today. And also where you guys can find these breakouts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And the only thing I ask in return for all of this is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart with you guys here on AHPI and exactly what has to happen for us to have a continuation and major breakout like we did see today. And I do want to mention before we get started that we did alert AHPI and APT really early, and we have been continuously breaking out throughout the day since then. Even though the market has been selling off, we have been alerting pretty good stocks throughout the week. So if you guys want to see all these breakouts before they happen, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day again. As you guys can see here on AHPI, again, we do have quite the run that we have been having, but however, towards the end of the day, we did have a little bit of a sell-off coming down to the 50 MA, testing the 50 MA here on the 15-minute chart. As you guys can see, going 6 to 9 hours, we're still consolidating here on the 50 MA. We're going to see if we can bounce off the 50 MA and get the 20 MA to curl up here. Again, we have a lot of momentum with these stocks because of the mass mandates that we have been getting. So we're going to see if we do get more mass mandates to possibly get more momentum in these stocks. But however, again, we do not want more mass mandates. Of course, we want them to completely be gone. We want these stocks not to sell off, of course. But however, we definitely don't want COVID to get any worse than it is now. But however, you guys can see AHPI has been consolidating on the 50 MA, going 6 to 9 hours in. So I'm going to back up to the 4 hour with you guys here so you guys can see exactly what we're looking at overall. As you guys can see back in the 15-minute, we are looking to see if we can bounce off the 50 MA and possibly get the 20 MA to curl up. And if we can get that to happen, as you guys can see, the 20 MA has been holding above the 50, showing us that we could continue. Again, we are consolidating up here around the area that we did get rejected at previously. We're going to see if we can continue here. Now, I'm going to back up so you guys can see exactly which levels we're looking at overall. So you guys can see we had multiple rejections exactly at this point that we are getting rejected at now. So in my opinion, to break over this $9 mark with the body of the candle on the 4 hour would be very key. And for the 20 MA here, as you guys can see, we are curling up. To continue to curl up going to next week would be very key for us to have a continuation major breakout. But however, we did have a nice spike today and we are decreasing in volume overall. So if we do get more volume and we do get confirmation above our previous volume point, then we could have that major breakout and confirmation on that breakout, in my opinion. Again, the 20 MA curling up is not enough for me, in my opinion. I want to make sure we do have confirmation of volume to get that momentum and to get a solid breakout so that way we don't get wicked down like we have been previously. And as you guys can see, we have a lot of wick downs previously in the stock that like to happen, so I definitely would be careful. But however, again, we did have a huge breakout today. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all these breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert through the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.